Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start this video. We are at a car show over here in Homestead. This place is called Bayfront Park, and they have all type of cars from Ratrods to Volkswagens. This right here, if you guys don't know, it's called that thing. That's just the name of this type of cars. Some of my favorite cars are the Ratrods, and that's exactly what I'm gonna show you guys. That's what my group brought. This one right here belongs to Martin. Over here we have another crazy build. Dual carb. Small block Chevy. Here's a quick look at the interior. If you guys notice, the shift is actually from a gas pump. Moving on to this one belongs to Ignacio. This is one of the craziest builds that I've ever seen. This truck is really nice. It made it to a magazine cover, which I'm gonna show you guys. He has it inside the truck. These are chains that he welded to the side of the back bed. Moving on to the interior of the truck. This is a magazine cover, diesel power. Beautiful interior that he just finished not so long ago. And this one, as you guys can also see, the stick shift is made out of a gas pump, as well as the air conditioning vent is made out of copper. An immense amount of details, man. Diesel engine. Moving on to this one over here, that belongs to Peralta. This is a really nice rod, really loud as well. He recently finished building that trailer that he uses to this old school mower. And moving on to this one. This one belongs to Arnold. This one is on air ride, as you guys can see here. This is a cooler. There's water and beer inside that cooler. This one, the stick shift, is actually a gun, not a gas pump. Twin turbo. This is what the group brought, the Ratrods. In my opinion, the best ones in this show.
darker than a devil's soul. I ain't someone you bring to mama's house. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say time is so brief and love is so brief, and all you will ever see me do is acting like the man you'll never understand. But baby, don't leave. Baby, don't leave. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. I've got these demons going on inside. Your love is the only way to satisfy. Show me the road where I see the light. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say no medication, no meditation will ever work like you do? Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me.
Alright guys, what an amazing show. This is the end of the video. I want to say big thanks to every single person that took part of this event, but especially to Peralta Ratrod, Ratrod Eddie, Arnold, Janko, Martin from Miami Ross, and I'm sorry if I'm missing anybody else. Oh, Ignacio, thank you so much for the food, the good times, the friendships. Let's make it happen again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if it is your first time passing by the channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Adios.